Hello everyone, welcome back to the another LeetCode solution. In today's video, we are going to solve LeetCode 1004. This is an easy problem and one of the most important problem to learn the sliding window technology. If you are preparing for a coding interview, mastering a sliding window program or a problem, you must have to appear very frequently. So let's get started. The problem statement, we are given a binary array numbers and a integer k. We are allowed to flip the most k numbers of 0 into ones. Our task is to find the maximum number of the consecutive one after perfect at most k flip. So for example, 11100011110 k is equals to 2. The output is 2. When we flip 20, it becomes 2 ones into one's entire. So the simplest solution is the brute force. First, we will check entire every index. After excited the subarray, count how many zeros appear. If the numbers of 0 become greater than k, stop. Keep updating the maximum length along through this work. It is very easy, very slow because we check every possible subarray. The time complexity is O into n and place complexity is O into 1. Can we do better? The answer is yes. Optimize approach, instead of checking every subarray, we will maintain a window. Inside the window, we count how many zero exist. If the zero is less than or equal to k, the window will valid. If the zeros is greater than k, we will move to the left pointer until the window becomes valid again. During every step, we update the maximum size of the array. This way every element visit at most 2 times. So let's start with the code first. So this is a basic code for this problem. The time complexity is O into n. Each element enter and leave the window at most 1. And the place complexity is O into 1 because no space is needed. The key points are, whenever a program asks for longest array, longest subarray, maximum concerting numbers, or at most k operation, think about the sliding window approach at once. And this is a powerful interviewer question. So that was the solution for code 1004 question. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.